How you guys doing? My name is Brian. I want to show you guys a little bit of my story, just a little bit of history about me. I'm actually from Houston, Texas. Little story. I actually worked in the oil field, making money. When the oil prices dropped, that's when I actually lost my job. I lost my marriage. And to make a long story short, I actually ended up being homeless. I ended up being homeless for 8 months, sleeping in my car, taking a shower at 24 Hour Fitness. Actually, through that, I remember I was at a Starbucks, just trying to find ways to make money. I actually came across John Cristani's website about making money, so I decided to give that a shot. Okay. Just to be honest with you guys, the first couple of months I really wasn't making any money. Going back in my car and realizing, I need to do something to get me out of here. Okay. So it was hard work. Okay. A lot of people think that, just because they buy a program, they think that there's some kind of magic potion that's going to help you be successful. But what I decided to do, I decided to follow every single step that John Cristani was talking about. Not skipping a step, following the details, and going back and just retry different ways, different campaigns. Just to kind of give you a little story that everything is possible. Some of you guys are thinking, is this possible? I'm telling you guys, just trying to speak from an authentic heart. For the love of God, it is. And I want to thank John Cristani and also my mentor for actually help pushing me. So to make a long story short, just through the process of me running different campaigns, from even making, from $20, $30 to now making $100 a day. Sometimes you get lucky and you do one run, you hit a campaign, and you hit like 50K. So this is the big milestone that I wanted to share with you guys. This is not no monopoly money. This is actually real. This is actually real Benjamin dollars. I'm kind of nervous about putting this out there, but I did want to put this out here just to show you guys that this is possible, and this right here is actually 50K for just one campaign. And that's what I'm trying to say. For like the past 6 months, I was getting overwhelmed. I'm like, if I would have gave up, imagine if I would have gave up 6 months ago, I would have never experienced this. So my message to you guys is that it's like that story of this guy who kept chipping away, trying to hit that gold mine. And then the one guy, he just gave up. The other guy, he hit one last hit, and he struck gold. That's the message: is never give up. What's that saying about 50 Cent? Get rich and die trying. And that's what I did. I said, you know what? What do I else have to lose? Me being in my car and stuff. So I said, my mentality is, look, I'm just gonna play this like it's a game and just keep pushing through. This is not something that I make all the time. This is just like a one-time shot, but this is just like a little testimony to let you know that, guys, it is possible, and I am on my way to becoming a multi-millionaire. So anyway, I just give a shout out to John Cristani. Just want to encourage you guys, love you guys, and wish you all guys the best of luck. See you.